Canva Create 2026 is dropped something amazing stuff about the video editing. I have tested every single one of them. In this video, you will get the full honest breakdown of what actually works for you. So let's dive into this amazing stuff. Alright, so first we have Magic Video 2.0. So just bring your laptop and open Canva and head to this Canva AI, the new Canva AI. So now you can see this plus button, just click on it and just click on add from Canva. So just click on it, go to your uploads. If you have already uploaded your images and the videos, just go to this upload button. Also, you can directly upload it from your computer. So I'm selecting the videos which I have already uploaded, and I'm just selecting some of the more videos like this one. So as you can see, I have selected few more clips. I can just add the section, and now I'll describe create a cinematic video and let's hit enter. So it will create an amazing video for you in just single prompt. You don't need to be edit, clip it, add the caption. You don't need to worry about. It will organize each and everything with one single prompt. So now let's wait and watch what it will generate. So as you can see here, we have the 3 clips. I like this one, so just click on it and let's see what it is looking and just play it.
Don't wait for the right time.
This is insane how perfectly it is edited. You can see the entire timeline. It is added multiple tags in a perfect way with the caption. You can see this is the new trending styles of the captions. So I can just select the video and provide my footage. It will also add the sound effect, also provide a music, and how perfectly it is syncs everything, the clips in a perfect order. So this kind of things you can create easily with a single prompt. So the next amazing feature is image to video 2.2. So now you can convert any photo into a video in just few clicks. So all you have to do is just go here in the upload section. So I have few uploaded images, so I can just upload one by one. So now you can see this is the amazing image I have. I don't have the video, so I can just click on this edit. Also, I will select this image to video, and now it will ask me to generate a 5-second clips. You can also provide the custom instruction like slow angle, zoom, or particular. If you have any instruction, you can provide, but I will go with this generate 5-second video. It will analyze my image and generate amazing videos by using this. And one more thing is, it will not work with the pro images which is available inside the Canva library. Also the images which is having the human interaction. So let's try on this particular image. You can see now I have this amazing video. I can just click on this button and it will add into my things. You can see I can just play it how smoothly is playing, and I will add a new page, blank page, and add my second image, which is this one. And again I will select edit and click on image to video and just hit generate a 5-second clip. So if you have gone any trip but you forgot to take videos and you have only photos, so now you can convert these amazing things inside the Canva. You can see these are amazing. This is fast zoom, so you can see these are the video I have created in just few clicks. So these are the amazing video you can create by using photos only inside the Canva image to video 2.0. Buddy, if you create videos inside the Canva, then this feature is really helpful for you. So all you have to do is just select on the template and click on this video. So now Canva is providing the proven library of the video hook that you can directly use while creating videos. So if you are a creator, this is the very helpful for you to grab people attention and use the viral hooks. So you can see all of the videos is available. These are the viral hooks you can see, and you can directly use it inside the Canva. So if you want to use this one, because currently this sound effect is very playing a key role to viral a video. So you can see each and every video is having a amazing sound effect and proven hooks. You can see I will show you one. Okay, so I will just open this and you can see each and everything you can edit inside the Canva. Also, you will get a one Canva tip how you can utilize this particular hook. You can just replace your videos inside these frame and your video is ready for viral. You can see. You can also get the visual direction how you need to shoot the video, so you can exactly place what it will require and change the text, and now your video is ready. So in this way, you can create amazing viral scroll stopping content in just few seconds inside the Canva. This is for you, my creator friend. So the next amazing feature is AI video effects. So all you have to do is just go into the template and you can see this amazing library of the video effect. You can just use these amazing effect by using the single click. So all you have to do is just click on this, any of this, and you can just click on your add image. You can also upload your image externally. You can see if you have not uploaded, but I have already uploaded couple of images, so I can use this and select it and click on create with AI. So it will analyze my image and put it inside the video. Even you don't need to put the prompt as well. So these are the amazing videos you can create by using AI video effect and generate your custom hooks for your videos. What if I told you now you can generate amazing music for your videos right inside the Canva? So all you have to do is just click on this elements tab and here you can see the audio. So just click on this audio. Now you can describe your music. So I will describe this like calm and peace instrumental. I can just click on this generate. You can even generate the sound effect as well. So I'm just clicking on generate. It will generate an amazing music for you that you can use directly in your videos. Even the music you are listening in this video are generated by the Canva AI. So this is very powerful feature. So you can see our music is generated. I can just play it. This is very calm and I can just drag it here. So you can see I can just play it along with my video. You can also add a quick text and after the edit the video looks like this. So the next amazing video update is Caption Styles. So now Canva introduce couple of new trending caption styles which you can directly add into your content. So all you have to do is just upload your video. So I have uploaded couple of my short form content. So you can just upload your video. Just click on it and you can see this is my video is there. I have put it for one of my content, so I can just cut it the rest of the area. And now I will just scroll a little down. Here you will see the caption. So now you can see couple of new caption style is available. So which one you like, you can just click on any of them and it will directly add it into your video. You can see these are amazing stuff. So I can just click on generate caption. So it will start generating and it is added the caption. You can see this is amazing, looking amazing. And if you want, I can just play it.
Someone is asking, how do I get this amazing animated letters?
Okay, so now you can just place it anywhere you like. You can also edit the caption if you think any particular word is wrongly pronounced, not according to you. So you can just edit. You can also change the color, whatever you like. You can also do many more things inside it. You can also edit this one. I will like this one. So I can just place it here and now you can see.
Someone is asking, how do I get this amazing animated letters? Let me show you.
Okay, so you can also switch to this. So any of the style which you like, you can just
Someone is asking, how do I get
in one single click you can apply into your content. So in this way you can create amazing powerful short form videos inside the Canva. So try these amazing stuff in the Canva and create amazing short form content with few clicks by using video hooks, image to video 2.0 and the new caption style, which will definitely help you to craft better content which is helping you to getting viral, even me also. So till then, take care of yourself, tata and bye bye, see you to the next amazing video. If you don't want to miss Canva AI updates, you can check out this video. This is very helpful for you. So just check out now and till then, take care of yourself.